nhớ rằng cho nên chỉ nó của dân rồi xử lý the Mong TV rồi share tàu chỉ này nó của cho và team ở Holden tôi nó team ya tôi nó team ấy là thả của thả luôn Mong theo luôn mega sợ mình chỉ cho họ bé cho nên chỉ cái tin cho Mong bé ya ít cho Mong ở share rong bé ở đây chỉ bé chỉ còn share mà bé bỏ tàu tiền đầu tư nó chưa mega bé một ba lờ rong gọi là chỉ ba bé mà nó cũng sẽ cho team là nó ya no ở bây giờ team ya ít từ phong dư rong trong the bé thế cô rong share tạo tại team. Hi team.
Hi there, how are you?
Pretty good.
Thank you. I just want to say thank you first and foremost to everybody for welcoming me today and having me come on TV. I just want to say again, thank you so much for the time. You've been just a wonderful, hospitable group of people. And we also want to say one thing, very, very much, and put out our thanks to the veterans and service people who have served our country. We appreciate your service. We want you to know that we want you to have a legacy, and we want to let you know that you're going to have a voice. When I become mayor November 5th, we will give you a voice and we will work on your behalf. Very important.
Cho nên cho chị team hay là team vậy tu cái cô xã ba cho nên cho chị theo ba cho cô tu trò tên là cô dân nông nữ cô dân nông thì oli nữ giờ lọ tàu ấy tu mayor nó nữ giờ nữ mà nữ chơi khó có được yên thế chỉ biết họ chơi khó có biết xã tàu nó cô dân nông nữ lên đó team I think the Hmong people they want you to win but they want to have something too. What if you lucky or we lucky, we help you, you win. What do you like to give back to the Hmong community?
The very first thing I want to do for the Hmong community is I want to have you select a person to work as a liaison with me. So that way I'll know what the Hmong community would like, what kind of needs you have, what kind of concerns you have. We have different cultures, and we need to find somebody that can work on behalf of your group and come and work with me and my team and try and find a way to work together. It's so important. Our society needs to work together on a variety of issues. Education, jobs, just across the board we need to work together. It's so important. I would like to have a liaison that you select, come and work with me when I become mayor November 5th. And when that happens, that way we'll know what your concerns are, we'll know what your wants are, your education, whatever it might be that you would like to talk and have addressed, we can work on those issues to make sure that your voices are being heard. I'm very, very much about listening to people and giving everyone a voice, and I want you to know that I'm willing to work with you and whoever it might be that you select from your group to come and will help me understand your culture even more than I do and do the best I can to run the city effectively.